Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tasks in Trello using due dates and labels, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer tasks in Trello using due dates and labels, begin by opening the Trello board containing your tasks. Identify the card that you want to transfer. Click on the card to open its detailed view. Locate the due date section within the card. If a due date is already set, you can see it displayed here. To change the due date, click on the current date. Select a new due date from the calendar that appears. After selecting the new date, click Save. Next, navigate to the Labels section of the card. Click on Labels to open the Label selection menu. Choose the relevant label you want for this task. If you need to add a new label, click Create a new label. Enter the name of the new label and select a color. Click Create to add the new label to your card. Now that your due date and labels are set, you can find the card you wish to transfer. Drag the card from its current column to the desired column. Ensure the card is positioned correctly in the new column. Once the card is in place, double-check that the due date and labels are still visible. If everything looks good, you've successfully transferred the task. You can also add comments or checklists if needed before finalizing. Always remember to revisit your board to ensure tasks are tracked correctly. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your tasks in Trello using due dates and labels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.